Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 7 minus 4 bracket 6 minus 3. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people think that the answer is 9. Why? 7 minus 4, 3, 6 minus 3 as 3 and 3 times 3 as 9, which is the incorrect answer. Yes, we already mentioned it and you heard it right. Because when you have given multiple operation like subtraction, then bracket, and in bracket there is a subtraction, then you have to follow order of operation, which is known as Bodmas or PAMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So as per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket. So it's 7 minus 4, 6 minus 3 is 3, and put the multiplication sign in between. Now division and multiplication, addition, subtraction, then you have to give priority to multiplication. So it's 7 minus 12. Now 7 minus 12 is 5. It's negative 5. So what is the correct answer? Negative 5, not 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next